Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Junkies. Today we're going to show you, got a big surprise for James's car. So
you guys probably already know it from the last videos, but Kenny, you want to tell them?
Getting a pro truck. No, I'm just kidding. Getting turbos, twin turbskis. James is a proud father of twins.
Alright guys, so we're just going to kind of bust open some of these boxes and show you guys what came all in it. So, this is the first box, and if you were wondering, this is the twin turbo set from On3 Performance for their top mount on the 2017 5.0 Mustangs. So, opening the first box, you got your tuner. This is your SCT X4. This is what all the hopefully I can get about, I want to see if I can get 2 tunes, maybe one for E85, one for pump gas, and then, I don't know, maybe like another tune for like fuel savers, but this is a race car. I don't care about saving fuel on this thing. So after that, you got, this is going to be all of our connections for connecting the pipes together, all that. That's all what comes in your first box. But, going on to our second box. Once you open it up, this is where your headers are. So we'll take one of these out of the bag. This is a pretty good feeling header. As you can see, if you want to get in on these welds, this is all machine welded. So, but man, this thing, they're nice. But those are going to be the headers for it. So it's going to be nice. It's going to be interesting.
Man, why is this guy wearing his American Muscle shirt backwards?
Alright, let's see what this next box is. Okay. So, when you get into this box, this is where you're going to have all your, this is going to have some of our brackets to help fit it in the engine bay. This is going to be some of your oil pressure lines. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like, oh, what's this? That is not what I thought it was. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we have it. We have 2 of them.
Double prepared.
So we got those. Oh, cool. So we do got the filters for on the turbos to go.
Jeez.
These are, it's pretty cool. On3 sent it with their name all over everything. So
no question who's running the On3 twin turbos.
Know, but it's a pretty cool little intake filter. But I got 2 of those, one for each turbo. Here's the other one. So got those. Let's see. This box is just a box of boxes. Alright. Looks like oh Bill. Already dropping bolts. Good thing I saw where those went through. Don't know what this is, but there's 2 of them in there too. Is that a blow-off valve, you think? I don't know. Put in the comments what this is. I have no clue. Maybe the guys from On3 will see this and they'll comment.
Clear it all up for us.
What is this? It's a pipe. Idiot. Now there's 2 of whatever that just was in here. More fittings. This is something that I actually upgraded in the kit. When you buy it, they have a whole list of great things that you can upgrade. This is the 2017 5.0 oil pump gears, which are notorious for going bad on these S550 Mustangs, so 2015 and up. They under boost, the oil pump gears just can't handle it, and they end up breaking, which leaves an absolute mess in the engine bay full of oil. I've seen a few videos on YouTube, and it is not something I wanted to deal with, so I ended up upgrading with these, and it actually wasn't very expensive. It was only like $100 extra to upgrade with these really good quality oil pump gears, and they even highly recommended it on On3's website. Next box. Oh, cool. So so this one. This will go in. This is kind of cool. This will go in and replace this right here. That'll sit right there. Also says On3. It'll be it's gonna be all tatted up with On3 stuff. That's for sure. With On3 repping, maybe we can get them to sponsor this. But yeah, so that'll replace it. That's pretty cool. That's gonna look so much better under the hood too. Like that. Without that. Yeah. Alright, another box. Let's see what we got. So, oh wow. This looks awesome. So, looks like we got all the, where is it open up?
Dang, yeah, take that out of the bag.
This one's closed up. I know there should be one in here that should already be open. No, so it's not open. So we'll just open it. Okay, so this going to be all the piping I need for the turbo. That all looks awesome. The welds on these, On3 really knows what they're doing with the welds. I mean, those welds are amazing. Look at that. He's even coming around here. That's awesome.
Yeah, wow, it all looks really good.
Yeah, this box is basically, you want to cut in on the box, but that's just all the piping that we're going to need to run from the turbos to them and from them. So this should be, man, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a lot of fun. So it looks like this is more piping. So this one is actually not, oh, it is open. So this one, it looks like an air sensor is going to go here. So it looks like this one might go somewhat into the intake, maybe somewhere like fit right there and run down that way. But either way, again with the welds, these welds look amazing. So shout out to On3 for quality stuff.
Doing a clean job.
That's one thing I was worried about, was the piping, if the piping would be good. This is the biggest condom I've ever. Alright, so we're down to the last two boxes, and I can kind of guess what's already in them. Not just because I've already opened them and looked what's in them, but this is a huge box and we need to find the intercooler, so this is what's in here. Dang. That looks awesome. So,
Yeah, wow.
there's the On3 intercooler. They got it stenciled on there. That's awesome. That is gonna look so good. So yeah, this is gonna go in the lower, well, up in the front in the grill, and then you're gonna be able to see this down here because I'm gonna do a upper and lower grill delete. So you're gonna be able to see On3 performance right here. You'll be able to see that through there. That's gonna look amazing. Alright, so the last box whole part of the kit that makes it as fast as it's going to be. So, here it is. Here's one of them. This is a On3 Performance 61mm ball bearing turbo.
Here, rotate it around. Let's get a 360 on this bad boy.
There's the cold side. Coming back to the hot side. Jesus, this thing is heavy. That's one of them. I guess I did not want to drop this. So now we'll bust out the second one. Jesus, these are so heavy. So here's the second one. Cold side, On3, 61mm. Hot side, ball bearing turbo. Here. That is so smooth. Look at how smooth that spins. That is amazing. Looks like somebody cut their finger on it. Look, there's blood on it. Huh. Looks like there's blood right there. Huh, oh well.
Adds horsepower.
Yeah, extra horsepower. So that is, so that's all the boxes that we got. There's still more I want to get before we put the kit on. Like, I do want to get 1000cc fuel injectors, but I guess to show you guys where it's gonna go. So one of them is gonna be right about there. It's not gonna sit just like that, but it's gonna be sitting a little lower. It's gonna be sitting more like that. It's gonna be down under there. Come around getting this. The intake is in the way of it, but it'll basically sit right there. I mean, lower, but that's what's in the under the hood's gonna look like. So it's gonna look really good, especially with this gone. These things are so ugly, and replacing it with that nice black one that says On3 Performance is gonna be nice. But I think with this kit, I get to keep the sway bar that came with the vehicle, and I get to. I'm not sure, but I think I might get to keep this 5.0 engine cover, which that would be really cool. I mean, it's not that big of a deal if they have to go, but it would be something cool. But yeah, you guys want to stay tuned, you know. We'll be getting. My friend is building his own personal shop, and he said that Kenny, him, and I are all going to go install this ourselves, and we're gonna video the whole thing, put it up on the channel, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, I would highly recommend On3 Performance if you guys want a twin turbo Mustang. I mean, I haven't done it yet, but I've talked to the guys on the phone multiple times. They are awesome guys. They were really, really helpful. They were awesome guys, and I think, I mean, from the quality it looks like from the kit with all the welds and how the piping is and how these turbos feel and how they spin, I mean, this feels like some quality stuff. So if you guys are in the market, it's an awesome company. They're relatively pretty fair price for what you're getting, and they're just great people. So yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned, we'll hopefully get these on and post some awesome content with it.